So when you put the thermal hydrometer in there, if it sinks to the bottom, is it the right one?
No.
If it floats all the way to the top, is it the right one?
No.
If it floats within that API gravity range, you are correct.
Yes.
All right, I saw Sir Martinez doing something which makes perfect sense, and that's actually what you can do, is we do not want air bubbles in this particular sample. So if you tap the top of the beaker with your hand,
Holding the base.
holding the base and tapping the top of the beaker, you will get rid of the air bubbles that are in there. When you put the thermal hydrometer into the fuel, you will give it a slight spin and drop it in there at the same time. It will spin, and hopefully it will work its way into the middle of the product so that we can read it. If it sits on the side, you're going to need to do it again until we get it into the middle of the product. At this point, you can come up here, grab the thermal hydrometers, remember which rack you took it out of, and please place it back in that same rack.
What are we going to fish it out with if the first thing goes to the bottom? What are we going to fish it out with?
Pour the fuel back in the bottle.
Okay, go ahead, and as soon as you get it, then try it. If it does not work, then that's fine. What I want everybody to take a look at is if you're going to do, if you have to replace your thermal hydrometer, come up here and look at theirs, the Southern Blacks, and you will see that he hit it right off the bat, pure luck, but you can see how it's floating within that range.
So make sure that it's not sticking to the side.
His is sitting right in the middle, which is where it needs to be. Bingo. Yes, and if you cannot get the thermal hydrometer out because it's all the way to the bottom, then you can pour it. You'll have to pour it back into your sample container.
Pour it back into the container.
Pour it back into the container. Don't try to get it out any other way. Pour it back in the container and grab yourself another thermal hydrometer. The one that's sitting in the middle of the product. That's why you give it a little spin. Give it a little spin, and it will work its way into the middle of the product. Okay. Floating. See that moving on your pulp? You're floating too high. You're floating off the gravity scale. So you have the raw hydraulic. This was freaking perfect. He spun it, went right into the middle, right on the stick. Perfect.
John Reeves, you want me to keep filming?
Kill it.